It's finally that cheerful time of the year. It's time for celebrations and joy. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make another Christmas snack, tukudi. Before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Add maida or all-purpose flour into your kneading bowl. Add salt and ghee. Although you can skip ghee, I'd suggest you add it. It prevents tukudi from soaking in excess oil. Mix well and add water. Do not add entire proportion of water mentioned in the recipe. Add little by little as needed. Initially mix it with a spoon, and once it's all sticky and lumpy, use your clean hands and start kneading it. The dough is ready. Now let's divide the dough into equal sized balls. Use a rolling pin and a rolling board to flatten out the kneaded dough balls into flat chapatis. Add dry flour onto the rolling board so that it won't get sticky and mess everything up. And do not worry about the shape of it. If the rolled out chapatis aren't circular in shape, doesn't matter. You're gonna cut them into different shapes anyway. You'll need a tukudi nevrio cutter. In case you do not have these, you can use a knife. I have made diamond-shaped tukudyo. You can make them square or triangle. It's left up to you. Follow the same method for all the dough you've made and set them aside for deep frying. Transfer the cut slices onto a greased plate. Preheat the cooking oil on a medium-high flame. Gradually and gently place the tukudyo onto the hot oil. Be gentle and make sure that the hot oil doesn't splatter all over. Deep fry them until golden. And then transfer them onto a clean plate or a kitchen tissue using a slotted spoon. Once cooled down, you can have them right away or you can sugarcoat them. Let's see how to make sugar coating mix. Add half cup of sugar into your clean blender. Add some cardamom pods for flavoring and blend it until it forms fine powder. Now all you got to do is sprinkle this powdered sugar onto the fried tukudis you just made. That's how simple and easy it is to make kuswar. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.